Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we will learn how to create a Maven project on Windows system. Okay, so first we are going to select the location where we will save our project. So I am going to save the project in the C drive. So open the File Explorer, then click on this PC, then local disk. Under the local disk, right click, then new and folder, and name this folder as workspace. Workspace. Okay. So now I'm going to open the IntelliJ. Then new project. And under this project, I'm going to my first project and the location, right? So the location we want to save in the C drive where we create a workspace folder. So I'm going to go to the C drive, so click on C drive, then scroll down. Here, this is the workspace. So click OK. And on language, make sure select Java, and build system, make sure select Maven. And by default, it will select the Java, but if you have a multiple version, make sure you select the one you set the environment path. For me, I select 17 because this is the one we set up in the environment system variable. Okay, so then just click create. And I'm going to create a new window. Okay, so it's done. And by default, it's gave you on testing, on testing like hello world. So what I can do, I can just right click here and run. And in the console, I should see the hello world. So if I see the hello world print in the console, that means that our project has been created successfully. Our Maven project is created successfully. Okay, it's print hello world. So our project, Maven project has been created successfully. Thank you.